Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, we started out dry this morning, but the rain has been building in through the late morning hours into the afternoon. This is what it looks like right now in Decatur from the Wave 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam Network. This is where the rain has been at its heaviest most recently. 52 degrees, our current temperature, wind out of the south-southeast at 7 miles per hour. Visibility slightly reduced with the rain moving through. And let me show you what it looks like on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. The heaviest rain now starting to finally push a little bit farther east of Decatur. As I get you a closer view just now using that minute by minute data, we've got, remember, a radar site, part of the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network in Decatur. So that's high resolution data showing the heaviest rain moving into Limestone County, tracking into Madison County. So it is going to be a wet evening drive all along 72. All along 565 and I-65 for that matter. Also wanted to show you farther towards the southwest, another band of heavier rain beginning to move into Franklin and Lawrence counties that will slowly but surely start shifting towards the east-northeast through the next couple of hours. Look at the temperatures through tonight. It is not a frigid night by any stretch of the imagination. Temperatures are actually slowly increasing as the night goes on, up to 60 degrees by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. That warming trend just continues through the day. We are going to be topping out in the lower 70s for highs on Tuesday. A little bit concerning with that chance for severe weather back in our forecast, right? Warmer temperatures, a strong wind out of the south and approaching cold front. We're setting the stage for that severe threat back with us tomorrow. This is going to be a threat that really does encompass most of North Alabama, but the threat is highest along and west of I-65. That's a level 2 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center, so it's a slight risk. That's also where that chance for tornadoes is going to be a little bit higher. Farther towards the east, instability drops through the night, so it looks like that severe threat will start to wane as the night goes on and then shift to mainly a flash flooding threat. You'll see that happen here on future radar through the rest of this evening. We'll take you all the way through 9 o'clock, and it's really just wave after wave of heavy rain moving through. A couple rumbles of thunder are certainly still possible, but past 9 o'clock, that finally begins to shift farther towards the northeast. And we get this little period here of quieter, drier weather, still a strong wind out of the south, and a couple of showers are possible tomorrow morning, mainly west of I-65. And even with that in mind, I would not bank on it being a showery morning. We would like that to happen because, of course, it does limit the amount of instability during the afternoon. But this is what I see happening past noon. Now to 5 o'clock, notice these individual thunderstorms out by themselves here. The cold front still well off to the west. These thunderstorms will have the capability of being able to rotate. So that's the damaging wind threat, the risk for large hail, and the risk for tornadoes. And you see them start to congeal into a line here by 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. It's not just one line of severe storms. This is the first line that starts to move through by 9 o'clock. And past that point in time, look at all of the storms here. Another round after round of heavy rain moving in from the southwest towards the northeast over the same locations. This is when that flash flood threat really starts to reach a peak. Past that point in time, it doesn't get much better by 3 o'clock, but slowly that shifts farther towards the east, and we are left with some lingering showers early Wednesday morning, but it is generally a much quieter day Wednesday than what we're going to see through tomorrow and tomorrow night. Heavy rain is something that everyone will be experiencing. That risk for damaging wind is present within those individual rotating thunderstorms, those supercells, as well as any line of thunderstorms that can start to develop as the evening goes on. Now, the risk for tornadoes, a few of them will be possible. Remember, that risk is highest along and west of I-65. Rainfall totals here, just to kind of give you an idea, just through 9 o'clock Wednesday morning, 3 to 3.5 inches in spots. And in total here, we've still got more rain through the rest of the week. Upwards of 4 inches of rain, definitely a possibility, and that flood threat continues. Flood watch starts tomorrow at noon, last Wednesday through noon for all of North Alabama. Your 7-day shows finally that big drop in temperatures with another cold front by the end of the week. We'll be right back.